This is number 810, which is a reef over water villa with a pool and a slide. So when you come in, you've got your door with a lock, and you put your key card in here to access the electric. So the first thing you see to your right is your all-inclusive snacks. So you get one like a peanut yogurt peanut snacks, and then just a peanut snack. You get a bottle of wine, and then in the fridge here it says guilty pleasures mini bar, replenish once a day with consume items only, anything extra it will be charged to your account. So we have the wow all-inclusive, and this is what you get. You get the beer, so ice beer and smooth beer. You get 2 Toblerones, white wine, and then inside you get some orange juice. There's 2 orange juice, 2 apple juices, 2 Cokes, 2 Sprites, and 2 Diet Cokes in there. And then here you get some milk if you want to make coffee. So that's included, and there's a guy who comes in the evening to replace that. Here you've got your kettle, you've got an espresso machine with some, in here you've got like teas, white sugar, brown sugar, some Nespresso pods. You get 4 in there. You get 2 bottles of water, your glasses and cups are here, and here you just have some storage space. So that's your all-inclusive minibar. So as you come in, they've just brought our luggages in because we moved rooms. This is what it looks like from the entrance. And here we've got the storage area. We've also got air conditioning unit up there, and the ceilings are really high, and you've got a fan. So in here you've got some storage space. If I open it up, the lights turns on, you've got 2 robes, and then some laundry service information here. I don't think there are prices there if you want to check prices. Go. Some hanging space, and then that space up there if you want extra storage. And the next cupboard, we've got an ironing board, a Philips iron, a torch if you want to like go like you want light on the way home from dinner or something, because it gets really dark here. You've got some hit spray for mosquitoes, flies and cockroaches, some hangers up there, safe. You've got hairdryer here, and then the hairdryer looks different to the one we had earlier. Oh no, it's the same. It's quite a big one. I don't think you can get it out, but it's quite a powerful hairdryer. Looks like that. And then here's like a lockable storage compartment here. So that's that. And then here you've got like a full-length mirror, always useful to have. Here we've got a desk space. Got some cabinets here if you want to put some of your belongings. A light, mosquito repellent spray, some information about the spa. These are the prices. Facials. Just to give you an idea of how much everything costs. So it looks like, yeah, so that's the spa. Here we've got the sign you put on your door, like out having fun or minding my business. So you can tell people if you want them to clean your room. So the bed area, so they've decorated it again for us. So we just moved room for our 3rd night, and we're here for 5 nights, and they've decorated it again, which is really nice. We just mentioned to them at the booking that we were celebrating our honeymoon, so they've done that for us, which is cute. Here you've got your phone, notepad, cute pencil. And then the same on the other side. So I love when you have like a smart TV in hotel rooms, because we have access to like Netflix or YouTube, which is really nice to have. And then that's some information about if you want your like bed linen changed, just stick that on your bed, or if you want your towels to be changed, just put them in the towel bin. And then that's a TV there. And then you finally, if I go back a bit, you can see you've got this like lounge space, like a purple lounge space here with some curtains if you want some privacy. I guess if you're using it as like a spare bed, you could close that off. And the bathroom is here. So this is what it looks like when you come in. If I just go to the side, you can see you've got 2 vanity areas. So you could both get ready for a couple. You have your own space with a mirror, some lighting. Here they've given you some body lotion, towels, and some soap here. And here you've got a really nice bathtub. If you want to take a cute picture there in the bathtub. That, and you can put these blinds down if you want some privacy at night. And you've got a nice view of the outside too. And here we've got some towels, some toiletries, dental kit, sanitary bag, cotton buds, and a shower cap. And then here we have the toilet. This is what it looks like. So you've got the hose, got toilet bin, and it's quite high. And you've got windows. In the other room we stayed in, we actually only had 1 window, so if that was closed, the room would be like pitch black. Oops. And then here you've got the shower. Maybe open it. Looks like this. So it's really spacious. And then again, they've given you some shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo and conditioner. So that's nice if you haven't brought anything with you. And it just looks like that, so I'll close the door. So that's your bathroom. And there's no aircon in here, but I mean, there's no need to have aircon in the bathroom really, is there? So last but not least is your outdoor pool and slide area. So how cute is this? I'm just gonna slide the doors open. So you've got a really nice view here. So I mentioned we're on the end of the pontoon area. There's one right on the end, but this is, I think it's a 2-bedroom over water villa. So that's the slightly bigger one, but we're on the end, and I did have to request this one specifically. So down here, you've got a ladder which goes down, and I'll take you down. You can see it looks like that. And they said it's roughly like 6 to 8 foot deep. But when you go past this final villa here, the reef ends, so it will be like a really big drop. And then you've got your pool here, some drainage. Just take you back up. So this pool is 1.2 meters deep, and it looks a lot bigger in real life than it does on the video. I'd say it's about like 3 meters long. And then here you've got some lounge chairs. It's been raining a bit, so they've hidden the foam pads here, just at the back. That. And then you've got a really nice area if you want to have like breakfast or lunch or eat by the ocean. And then this is the slide here. So there's a button here on the side. It looks like that. You can see, switch it on and off. It stops the water. If you put it on, it stops, and then that just helps you slide down the slide. And this is what it looks like. So if I look to the right, you can see all of those other slides. And then to the left, we don't have any neighbours except for that house down there, but their slide is at the furthest end, so it's quite private. And again, I did have to request it specifically. This is what it looks like. It's a bit choppy today, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it looks a bit choppy, but yeah. So that is the Reef over Water Villa in Siyam World with a slide and a pool. So in this next section, I'm going to be as brutally honest as I can be, especially when you're paying over thousands of pounds for one stay at the island. You definitely want your money's worth. So I'm going to share some things I thought went well, could be improved. Bear in mind, this resort opened in October 2021 and our stay was August 2022, so it wasn't open 1 year yet. So in this clip, you can see how the shower head just popped off. So we used it once, and the one time we used it, the whole thing just popped off. We tried to put it back, it wouldn't go on, and water was just spraying everywhere. So we gave up and we just used the handheld shower head instead. Housekeeping did try fix it, but it kept popping off, so we gave up. This next clip shows like the patchy paintwork. I don't know if it was repairs or if they just tried to finish it in a rush, but definitely not 5-star. This one particular night, it rained really heavy. The wind was very strong as well, which wasn't the issue. The issue was the flooding we got in the room. So you can see here there's like a tiny gap between the doors where it doesn't shut properly, and this caused all the rainwater to slowly like come into the room, which we had to like wipe a few times, which was fine, but it just caused like the laminate flooring to start becoming wet and like squidgy, so every time you walk on it it's a bit squidgy. This also happened in our other door in the bathroom. Again, the same flooding. This time it was a lot worse. We did end up putting a towel down just to prevent the flooding. It's just issues you don't expect this resort to have after less than a year of being open. It seems like it was finished really fast and in a hurry. The safety on the island is questionable as well. There was no lifeguard near our pier at all. Here you've got some safety guidance on swimming. This particular day we had a red flag, which means strong current, take care when you're swimming. The following day it was raining a bit and we had a green flag saying it's calm, enjoy. On this day, I'll show you in this clip coming up, it shows how strong these waves are, and if you were to swim in this, it would push you right under your villa and into all these steel beams that keep the whole pier up. And this is really not safe. They make you sign a waiver, definitely not green flag worthy. And here we have these bikes that you can rent at $15 a day. There's no designated spots for them, so they're just scattered across the beach, all knocked over. And the final thing is the state of these roads. You can see from this clip just how many potholes and how bumpy this road was. It was almost painful to sit on this buggy, but on this occasion we had no choice because of the rain and there was no cover, so we were still soaked by the time we got to the restaurant. So that's all my honest feedback and the things I think could be improved. I'm not trying to stop anyone from coming or put anyone off visiting, because I did have such a wonderful time here. It's the biggest island in the Maldives at this point in time, which is October 2022, and they're still building loads of cool stuff, loads of restaurants, bars and other cool activities for the family and adults to do. So it should definitely be on your bucket list of places to stay if you are visiting the Maldives.